Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the top best new Rolex watches for men based on specifications. Rolex is a luxury watch brand that was founded in 1905 in London, England. The brand is known for producing high-quality and prestigious timepieces that are popular among collectors and enthusiasts. Rolex watches are often associated with luxury and are worn by celebrities, athletes, and business leaders. Number 10. Rolex Milgauss. The green sapphire crystal is a unique watch crystal developed by Rolex. It is scratch-proof, fade-proof, and available exclusively on the Milgauss. Its light green shade, tinted throughout the entire crystal, turns nearly luminescent at the beveled edges. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Water-resistant depth, 100 meters. Number 9. Rolex Explorer. The dial is the distinctive face of a Rolex watch, the feature most responsible for its identity and readability. Silver-tone stainless steel case with a silver-tone stainless steel Rolex Oyster band. Automatic movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Fixed, domed bezel. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, sapphire crystal. Display type, analog. Number 8. Rolex Day-Date. Its debut as the first waterproof and self-winding chronometer wristwatch to offer a modern calendar with an instantaneous day display. Spelt out in full in a window on the dial in addition to the date. Automatic movement. Self-winding. Swiss-made. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Waterproof. Screw-down crown. Double quickset. Case material, yellow gold. Case diameter, 36 millimeters. Band material, yellow gold. Number 7. Rolex Sea-Dweller. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual Date Sea-Dweller is a line of divers watches manufactured by Rolex. With an underwater diving depth rating of 610 meters for the vintage models and up to 3,900 meters for the most recent Sea-Dweller Deep Sea model. Deep blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone Mercedes logo. Sword and braguette style shape hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel Rolex Oyster band. Number 6. Rolex Yacht-Master. Inspired by the rich heritage that has bound Rolex to the world of sailing since the 1950s, the Yacht-Master blends function and style, while the Yacht-Master 2 brings together the finest in Rolex technology to create a regatta chronograph built for yachting competition. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel Rolex Oyster bracelet, 18-karat Eve rose gold center links, bidirectional rotating 18-karat Eve rose gold bezel. Number 5. Rolex Air-King. Even more than the Explorer, the Rolex Air-King tends to be overlooked and less considered than models such as the Submariner, the GMT-Master, or the Datejust. One of the brand's most long-lasting collections. Black dial with green accents. self-winding automatic chronometer movement, stainless steel case and Oyster bracelet, case diameter 40 millimeters, screw-down crown and case back. Number 4. Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Rolex's Oyster Perpetual watch collection was inspired by the original Oyster, the very first waterproof wristwatch that solidified Rolex. Each watch in the collection offers the foundational features of the classic Oyster Perpetual, such as a waterproof casing, exceptional chronometric accuracy, and mechanical, self-winding movement. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 41 millimeters. Waterproof depth, 100 meters. Number 3. Rolex Daytona. The Oyster Perpetual Cosmograph Daytona was created to assist with timekeeping for professional racing drivers. Recently launched exclusive editions feature chronograph counters at 3, 6, and 9 o'clock, set into a dial that is carefully crafted from natural metallic meteorite, a unique matter from outer space. 40mm 18-karat yellow gold case, screw-down yellow gold case back, screw-down crown and pushers with triple trip lock waterproofing. Number 2. Rolex Datejust. Rolex introduced the first self-winding wristwatch chronometer equipped with an automatically changing date on the dial. The distinctive Cyclops lens magnifies the date for easy reading. Since its introduction, the Datejust has been one of the most sought-after classic Rolexes. Special features: screw-down crown, movement Swiss automatic, waterproof depth 100 meters. Number 1. Rolex Submariner. The Submariner was first launched in 1953. The model comes in oyster steel, white and yellow gold, and two-tone with date or no date. Made famous by James Bond films, this sports watch has a 40mm or 41mm case size and dive watch functions. It features a unidirectional rotating bezel and solid link Oyster bracelet. Special features: Swiss-made screw-down crown, movement Swiss automatic, waterproof depth 300 meters.